Okay, so I've been working on this semantic audio grid for sort of sound design and generating one-shot samples. And so the idea is that I've got a audio diffusion server running on my 4080 GPU, and I've got a node server that's interacting with this web page here. And what I'm going to do is just basically have some row ideas and some column ideas. So for row ideas, I might have metal, glass, porcelain, copper. And for column ideas, I might have maybe hit, scrape, bend, and smash. Umbrella idea, let's make it a single hit. Let's make them resonant as a global tag. And then duration, maybe like 3 seconds worth. And so what I can do then is create a grid, and then the grid, each point within the grid is a combination of the row idea and the column idea combined with the umbrella idea and any tags. So we're going to create a sound that's a metal hit, that's a single hit and it's resonant. We're going to create a sound that's a metal scrape, that's a single hit and resonant, and so on. So move our way through all of these cells. So what I'm going to do is generate all empty cells. That's going to send prompts off to the diffusion server, and the server is then going to send audio files back. That's going to take about 20 seconds per audio file. Okay, so now that it's finished, let's have a listen. And of course, all of these are sounds we can just bring into Ableton.